we're going to read about How Inventions Help Us by Julie Ellis. An invention is made to help us. Some inventions help to move things. A good way to move things is with wheels. Inventions help us when we work. If you want to dig, cut, or build, how will you do it? A good way to work is to use tools. We can work faster with tools. Inventions help us talk to each other. If you want to talk to someone who is not here, how will you do it? Lots of inventions can help you talk to someone who is not here. Inventions help us to keep well. What inventions do you use so that you keep well? Inventions help us at home. More inventions are made every day. Inventions help us to work and give us more time to play. Some inventions help us when we play. What inventions do you think help us most? To find out more about inventions, we can use a book or computer. They were invented to help us find out more. If we look at the end of this book at the glossary, it says a computer is a machine that helps us use information. An invention is something made to help us. Play means to have fun. Tool, something that helps you work. And work is to do a job. So thinking about that with how inventions help us, think about an invention that you use on a daily basis and which is one that helps you the most.